Hey, an order just came in.
Ooh, Negroni.
I bet you I can get this from the warehouse faster than you can make it.
Yeah, alright. It's a race. So I know we said it's a race, but come on, it's a Negroni. So we're gonna take our time with this one. First up, you're gonna need some Hendrick's gin. Next, you got some sweet vermouth. And finally, we got some Campari. Actually, you know what? We got a little bit more time. So let's go ahead and make this an unusual Negroni and add in some Aperol as well. And then we're gonna go stir that up really quick. Grab our orange zest, give that a good squeeze. And voila, that is your unusual Negroni. Cheers.
How did you make that so fast?
Slow and steady wins the race.
Where's our driver? Hey, that's mine. Cheers.
Cheers. Even had time to make you one.